27 years after selling a stake in British Telecom, Sunil Bharti Mittal strikes one for the symbolic reversal of colonial economic power. Bharti Global, the international investment arm of Sunil Bharti Mittal's conglomerate Bharti Enterprises, has taken a 24.5% stake in BT, British Telecom. The deal, estimated to be worth around $4 billion, marks a significant move in the telecom sector and strengthens ties between India and the UK. British Telecom was an early investor in Bharti Telecom, and today the Indian mobile operator has acquired a stake in an iconic British brand. BT Group PLC's ownership is a mix of individual, retail and institutional investors. Bharti Global is now the single largest shareholder in BT and has the company's other shareholders including Mexican telecom tycoon Carlos Slim. Patrick Drahi, the majority owner of French telecom company Altis, had increased his stake in BT to 24.5% last year. Altis had taken a 1.5 billion euro loan against his BT stake earlier and was under pressure to pay debt in its group. Bharti is a leading example of Indian companies going global. It acquired Zain Telecom's Africa operations in 2010 for an estimated value of $10.7 billion. India's influence on the global business stage is rapidly growing, particularly through strategic acquisitions abroad. A standout example is Tata Motors' purchase of Jaguar Land Rover back in 2008. Tata Group continues to solidify its impact in the UK with significant investments. Alongside owning JLR, Tata Steel operates facilities such as Port Talbot plant. In 2023, Tata Group demonstrated its long-term commitment to the UK by investing £4 billion in a new electric car battery factory. Another major player is Reliance Industries. In 2021, Reliance New Energy Solar Limited acquired British battery tech firm Faradion Limited for $135 million. Reliance Brands Limited also took a major step by buying Hamleys, the historic British toy store, back in 2019. Wipro, which is a key name in Indian IT, expanded its reach by acquiring the British-based management consultancy Capco in a $1.45 billion deal back in 2022. Eicher Motors' acquisition of Royal Enfield in 1994 is a classic example of Indian companies reviving iconic brands. Now headquartered in Chennai, Royal Enfield is a storied British motorcycle brand with roots stretching back to 1901. Mahindra & Mahindra breathed a new life into BSA Motorcycles, a defunct brand with a storied history, in 2021. TVS Motor Company acquired the legendary British motorcycle brand Norton in 2020, also investing in electric bike production through EPCO Limited. Investment groups like Vadhavan Global Capital are also making strides, having led a £32 million fundraising for British digital bank Zopa in 2017. Research from Grant Thornton reveals that in 2024, there were 971 Indian-owned companies in the UK, up from 954 back in 2023. While the financial services sector sees limited Indian ownership, the impact is clear across various sectors including pharmaceuticals and minings. These acquisitions reflect a growing trend of Indian companies not just participating in the global market, but significantly shaping it as well.